families, welcome to another interesting video on how to make money online. So this is an important update you have to take parts in. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to use AI to earn money. What do I mean? So I'm going to introduce this AI website to you. You ask questions like the way you normally do with your ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, so but you'll be using this one every time you needed a question or you need to say something, or even if you don't have anything to say, for the fact that there is money attached, you need to trigger that question. Okay, so you can just sit down and ask questions, but make sure they are relevant questions, right? So you ask questions like the way you normally do with ChatGPT, and this AI is going to give you response. Okay, and it's going to give you more than one response. So we have the normal ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have LLAMA AI here. At this website you need your VPN. Turn on your VPN, and as you all know, in my WhatsApp community, I've actually shared the particular VPN for you to use. It's okay and it's free, unlike Mysterium VPN. But if you have Mysterium VPN, you can use it, but Mysterium VPN is a paid VPN. Okay, so Wire VPN is the VPN that I so much love because it gives you that authenticity, it gives you that everything you want in Mysterium VPN, so you can use it. As you can see, this is the VPN here. Okay, so you're going to click on the VPN and turn your location. Okay, turn your location to UK. Okay, then after doing that, change your automatic time zone to London Dublin. Okay, now some people will ask me, why are we using, or why do I need to change my time zone to London Dublin? Well, if you're in my WhatsApp community or my Telegram community, you should have known by now, so there is no need to waste time. Just do as I say in this video and start getting paid. So after that, go to your Chrome browser. You can use DuckDuck. So you go to your Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome and type Yupp AI. Yupp AI, as you can see it here, Yupp AI. So you're going to click on it. So we are verifying your browser, so you need to wait for them. Okay, every AI for everyone. Check out the best answers from all the latest AIs for free. Win reward. Shape the future of AI. Okay, we'll click on sign in. Verifying, so you need to keep calm and wait for this. So it's going to show you different email you logged in on your phone, but if you are using another browser different from Chrome, you need to log that email in with your password. Okay, so I will just click one of my emails. This is actually my second account. Okay, so you continue. Yupp. Okay, it's still loading. Now it said, hi Elijah. So the person that owns this account, that is the name of the person. Okay, I have my own personal account. Say, hi Elijah, write your first prompt. Okay, so the reason I'm not using my own personal account is that when I came across this update, I need to use my account to navigate it, see how it runs, then look for another phone to do the tutorial for you guys. Okay, so that's just the reason. So because if I use my own personal phone, since I've already started using it, I can't start like this step-by-step tutorial is not going to hold. I can't show you guys from scratch. Okay, so now you have to enter your first prompt. That is what you're going to do. So now enter your first prompt. So now this is a question I'm going to ask this AI here. Okay, between men and women, who cheats more? Okay, so I'm using this question because it's a controversial question, so it doesn't necessarily mean you must use this. All right, so now let's send prompt. Between men and women, who cheats more? So let's see what this AI is going to give us. So now, as you can see, this is the AI that gave us the response. Okay, let me show you guys with my brush. So now you can see this AI here. This is the AI that gave us the first response, right? And this is another AI when 3 next ATB stuff like that, okay, that gave us the next response. So between these two AI, we are to choose which of the response you really love. So please make sure you add something reasonable and make sure you add something relevant so that you will not get bored in reading these things, okay? Because you are supposed to read and compare their response, which one you love more, okay? So taking a look at everything, cheating in relationship, a quick overview of men versus women. So now I can actually choose which response I love based on the style, based on the depth of the analysis, okay? So as you can see this, and as you can see this response, to me I would choose this first one because it's well organized, okay? The bullet points are good for easy assessment, okay? So you can actually understand everything is not just there. So, and it's not boring to the eyes. You can see it's not boring, okay, what these numbers really mean. So for the sake of this tutorial, I might not be able to read and that, but after this tutorial definitely I'm going to read it up, okay? So as you can see this, do you understand? It's not really much, but this one is giving everything, okay, and even giving US as a reference to justify who cheats more and the cultural differences, the relationship text, as you can see, right? So we're going to scroll down and then you will come here and click on, this, okay? I prefer this. After choosing your preferred response, you click on it and it's going to ask you, okay, why was this response better? Now I'm going to click on target. I love the style, then the is insightful, okay? Now I can give further explanation about this, okay? That was what I did to my other account, but for this account I'm just going to go ahead and send feedback. But if you still want more, which I will prefer each and every one of you to still elaborate more on why do you choose this, not just on target, style and insightful, but for the sake of this tutorial I don't want it to be too long, I'll click on send feedback. So immediately you click on send feedback, it's going to tell you to scratch to win credit. So you're going to scratch and then you win 5,000 Yupp credit. So this Yupp credit is what we're going to accumulate for ourselves, and when you meet the withdrawal threshold you can cash out, okay? You convert the point to cash. Now keep on watching because I need to show you something. Don't skip yet, okay? Now take me to the home page. That is the next thing for you to do. You click on take me to the home page. That is where you need to fill in your details, okay? So you have to wait for it to load. You need to be patient when navigating this site. This is AI site. Any little mistake you can get banned, okay? Now do you see our location? Our location is UK, okay? United Kingdom. So having we known that, your age, so please don't choose age below 18. If you are below 18, please don't navigate this site, okay? And another thing is that this video is for tutorial and informational purpose, okay? Do well to make your research, and earnings is not guaranteed, okay? So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just using this based on my own research. So do well to make your own research also. So I need to give that disclaimer. So now moving ahead, I'm more than 18, I'm more than 25, so I will click 26 to 39, okay? That's my age range. So the next thing for you is to click your educational level. So I'll go for bachelor's. If you are below, please choose. If you are higher than that, you can still click. Now occupation, this is where the real thing comes, so please listen attentively. Your occupation, okay? You can choose freelancer, you can choose researcher, okay, and you can choose moderator and thereabouts. But for the fact that in my other account I choose researcher, I'm going to choose freelancer here, okay? Freelancer, okay? Let's see if they're going to accept it. Okay, good, they accepted it. Freelancer. So now this is our profile, okay? Now you start asking questions. So this is it. So instead of you to use ChatGPT free and you're not earning anything, it's advisable you use this AI here, okay? So this is where you're going to type your prompt. So as you type your prompt, you get paid, all right? So now let's click this email icon here. As you can see, this is our Yupp points, 5,000 Yupp points, and this is our profile, okay? So if you click on the profile icon, it's going to bring you to your profile. So as you can see, top model, you can see ChatGPT logo here. Okay, top model, you can see ChatGPT logo here. Okay, so that is how it is. You can see freelancer United Kingdom. All right, so the next thing, if you want to edit or you want to change anything, you can always come to this edit and make sure you change it. Okay, so aside that, you go back to your menu icon, you can see refer to earn, but their referral program is not active for now, so there is no referral code. So if you want to check if you are able to withdraw, so you just come to this place. Okay, so you just come to this your icon here, then you click on it. Okay, now as you can see, the cash out button is not highlighted because we've not meet up to. All right, so once you accumulate enough points for yourself, so this is going to highlight. So you can use either Bitcoin or bank transfer. Either you have a dollar bank details or a euro bank details, you can use that to withdraw in this platform. You can also use your PayPal to withdraw. Okay, to those of you that don't have PayPal, you have issues with PayPal, you can always use your crypto wallet, okay, to make withdrawal, which is Bitcoin. If you don't know how to create a crypto wallet, make sure you reach out to me. There are some updates, I'm not releasing it here based on YouTube policy. I don't want to go against YouTube policy. What happened the other last time, I don't want it to repeat itself again in this channel. So there are some updates I will not release here on YouTube, but I will release it on my Telegram community. So do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. If you have issues with this update, always make sure you reach out to me. And most importantly, like and comment. Okay, if you did not comment and give me a nice comment, if you ask me questions in my Telegram, I'm not going to reply you. I'll first ask you, have you comment? And make sure you share this update also to people, because a whole lot of people need money. Okay, so don't be selfish with updates. Share this update to your loved ones, to your friends. Also share this video to them. Let them watch this particular video, and also tell them to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to watch and subscribe. See you in my next video. I have your best interest at heart. Thank you. Bye.